What's up guys, in this video I want to show you how to get unlimited token in your Blooket account. As you can see now I'm on my Blooket page, and now I have 10 tokens in my Blooket account. This is my username. Please follow this video step by step to receive the reward. Now I open a new tab, and here I searching www.go token pro, Go Token Pro. Remember this website if you need this. I enter, and as you can see, token events offer 3000 token. You need your Blooket username. Now I enter my Blooket username, Albert, and I press generate. I wait to generating. As you can see, generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. It's loading this there. Guys, please like this video, subscribe, and share this video with your friends for more tutorials, guys. If you need help, leave a comment right now for more instruction. As you can see, this is website status online, last update 2 days ago, online user. This is recent activity. This website, it's work on any device, Android, iOS, computers. Now I use my computer for this tutorial, but you can use your phone. For example, this person use desktop, this person use Android, etc. We sending resource, generating resource now. This is people vote. You can vote yes or no. This is people comments, very much positive comments. As you can see, you can add the comments on this button, but I don't add the comments now. We sending resources and continue. Generating resource 99. It's almost done. It's success. As you can see, guys, Albert is connected. Resource is ready. Transfer to user. Now I wait to transfer my tokens. It's very easy, guys. We don't like a robot. We verify that you're human. Click the verify button below and follow the instructions. Don't scare it, guys. Just press this button, verify now. Human verification request. Verify survey. Complete a request below and Blooket token will be automatically sent in your account. You need to complete one of this survey. I select this survey. You need reading this instruction. As you can see, enter your mobile number and verify the PIN. This survey depends on your country. In my country, this is the survey. You can select view more for more survey. I select this. Now, as you can see, I need to send a SMS on this number with this text and verify the PIN. Now I put the video on pause because I can send a SMS and record it at the same time. But guys, I will be back in 2 minutes. Good, guys, I send a CMC. Now I close this page, and as you can see in the human verification page, I received this notification. I received this message is finished. Now you can close Alt tabs. It's finished. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens in my account. So I press climb, and now I verify. As you can see, 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. It's very easy, guys. Just follow this video step by step. Bye bye, guys. I will see you in the next video.